left to NORTHSTAR right now. We already cranked out 2 conference calls, and gonna be a mix today of half work, half play, and just getting some good riding in today. The snow's pretty awesome, so it should be fun. What's up, guys? Great to be here at NORTHSTAR. Ready to ride today? Go shred some powder. Let's go. I've been talking a lot about goal setting, about planning strategy for the new year. I want to inspire you guys. So many people ask me where I get my motivation in life, where I get my intensity, my passion, and all of it comes from my goals. So hopefully that inspires you guys. I want to encourage you to sit down, write out your goals. Check out my YouTube video. I made like a 15-minute video on YouTube that'll help you, inspire you to like really think it out and how to do goals properly. So hopefully that helps. Let's go.